think this is a 71 HEMI Cuda. It's got a late model HEMI in it though. Huh? Yeah.
Got a friend, got a little 69 Dart.
Late model HEMI in it?
Yeah. He put a Challenger drivetrain in it. He found a wrecked Challenger, bought the whole thing, and put it in a little 69 Dart.
Guess it's probably not hard to find wrecked Challengers with that engine in it. Yeah. I think this is a 71. Somebody tell me if I'm wrong. It's probably all drivetrain late model. I think that's a 5-speed. Yeah, 5-speed transmission. There no 5-speed transmission in 71. It's a Tennessee car too. So it's a 71 Cuda late model Tennessee car. Low profile tires. Oops, sorry. It's amazing, you know. They can make this car today and it would sell better than stuff they're putting out today. I don't know, man. Just think, they weren't even using CAD/CAM computers back then to make these things. They were making them with clay and stuff before they produced them. You know how many more new models they came out with? It's called, today it's called the art of laziness. That's what it is. You still can't do as much. They can't do as good today. It's amazing. I understand it. Come on, Trump.